In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot to turn 2D images into 3D models. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to sign in to Copilot, so go ahead and open up your web browser of choice and navigate to the Copilot website. You'll find the Sign In button right at the top. You'll need a Microsoft account to proceed, so if you don't have one, go ahead and create it. The process is pretty straightforward. Once you're in, you're almost ready to start turning your flat images into stunning three-dimensional models. Now that you're signed in, let's head over to the Labs section. You can find it in the sidebar menu, and it's marked with an easy-to-spot label. Clicking on Labs gives you access to a variety of experimental features that you can play around with, including our main attraction today, the 3D modeling tool. Once you've found the Labs section, look for something called Copilot 3D. There it will be, ready and waiting for you. You'll notice a button that says Try Now, and that's exactly what we want to click. This will launch the Copilot 3D tool, setting the stage for our transformation from 2D to 3D. Now comes the fun part, uploading your image. Make sure you have a high-quality 2D image ready. This could be a JPEG or a PNG file. The type of image you choose can significantly affect the outcome, so pick something with a decent resolution, and ensure it has clear and distinct features. Once you've selected your image, you'll see an option to upload it right there in the tool. Go ahead and upload it. After your image is successfully uploaded, it's time to generate the model. Look for a button that reads Create and click on it. This action will kick off the conversion process, where Copilot works its magic, transforming your static image into a lively, three-dimensional model. This step might take a moment, so be patient as the tool processes your request. Now, once the processing is complete, you'll be greeted by your newly generated 3D model. But don't just rush off. Take a moment to preview and inspect what you've created. This is where the fun truly begins. You'll see tools that allow you to rotate the model, pan around it, and even zoom in to take a closer look at finer details. It's an incredible way to see how your original 2D image has come to life with depth and dimension. As you navigate around your model, you might want to think about how you can apply this new skill. Whether you're creating assets for a game, working on a project for school, or just having fun with your creative side, turning 2D images into 3D models opens up a world of possibilities. So to recap, we started with signing into Copilot, then we navigated to the Labs section, launched the Copilot 3D tool, uploaded our image, generated the model, and finally we previewed and inspected it. This straightforward process allows you to explore 3D modeling like never before. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Remember, turning 2D images into 3D models can be a game changer in various projects, so make sure you give it a try.